Hello everybody. In this video, we will be looking at some prefixes in Speak Out Intermediate Unit 10.1. First of all, we will work on common prefixes and their meanings. Then you will do 3 different exercises. And in the last part, you will be given some sources for further study and practice. But before learning these prefixes, let's understand what root, prefix, and suffix mean. Vocabulary is one of the most challenging parts of language learning. While learning English, many learners feel overwhelmed because of the great number of words that they need to learn. However, if you know common prefixes and suffixes in English, it becomes easier to figure out the meanings of the words. Many English words are made up of some word parts, and these parts are roots, prefixes, and suffixes. Root is the basis of a word. A prefix is a group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word, and a suffix is a group of letters that is added to the end of a word. By adding prefixes or suffixes to the roots, new words can be formed. All these parts have specific meanings, and knowing them helps learners to figure out the meaning of the word. Let's examine some examples. Employ is a verb and it is the root. With the suffix ment, we form employment, which is a noun. If we add the prefix "an" to this noun, we have another noun with a negative meaning. The second example, manage is the root again. The suffix ment makes a noun. And with the prefix "miss", we can form a noun including the meaning wrong. The last example, replace is the root. When we add the suffix able, we form an adjective. And with the prefix "ir", we have another adjective meaning not replaceable. Now we will look at some common prefixes and their meanings in detail. The first category, an, in, im, this, il, ir. In English, it is possible to make nouns, adjectives, and verbs negative by adding them prefixes. This, il, im, in, ir, an are some of these negative prefixes. Let's examine them one by one. An. Words that take an as a negative prefix may begin with a vowel or consonant. Examples: comfortable, uncomfortable, usual, unusual, successful, unsuccessful. In. Words that take in can begin with a vowel except I or U or a consonant. The examples: accurate, inaccurate, expensive, inexpensive, visible, invisible. Im. Words that take im always begin with the letter M or P. Possible, impossible, patient, impatient, mobile, immobile. This. Words that take this may begin with a vowel or a consonant. The examples: honest, dishonest, comfort, discomfort, approve, disapprove. Ill. Words that take ill always begin with the letter L. Examples: legal, illegal, logical, illogical, legible, illegible. Ir. Words that take ir always begin with the letter R. Regular, irregular, relevant, irrelevant, responsible, irresponsible. The next prefix that we will learn is miss, and it means wrong, wrongly. Here are the examples: understand, misunderstand, lead, mislead, spell, misspell. The third one is re, which means again or back. Examples: think, rethink, do, redo, marry, remarry. Another prefix is over and it means to in excess of. Here are the examples: work, overwork, sleep, oversleep, cook, overcook. Under is opposite of over and adds the meaning not enough. Examples: weight, underweight, perform, underperform, stuffed, understuffed. The last one is ex, which means former, and here are the examples: wife, ex-wife, boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, boss, ex-boss. Now, time for practice. Please pause the video and match the words with correct prefixes. Check your answers. Here is the second exercise. Pause the video again and do the exercise. Look at the answer key and check your answers. Now, the last exercise. Pause the video and do the exercise. Here is the answer key and check your answers. If you need further study and practice, you can use the sources given here. This is the end of the video. I hope you find it useful.